Hey guys, Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures. You got a jet ski? You like the video? Check these out. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Here is the rear mount that I make. These fit all the Seadoo jet skis that have this link system. You've got a ski pylon cover here. That comes off, you take the O-ring off. I've got instructional videos when you buy this on how to install it. This is how it goes. This is not like your other mounts out there. This one, you can put your selfie stick, or you can use a flag. This is up to a 1-inch flag holder. You watch how far this goes down in the hull. There we go. Secure it with a thumb screw. And now, that's not going anywhere. Extend your selfie pole all the way up. There you go, guys. And the nice thing about this mount is there is no need to run a ugly tether from here to your seat. This mount holds it all. This mount has actually survived this exact mount where I forgot to lower my selfie stick when I went under a bridge. I ducked, the camera came off, the stick actually broke. The mount is fine. The rest of the mount was still in, or the rest of the stick was still in the mount. And of course, something that is not offered from the other guys that sell those mounts is a front 360 mount. This is all used with stainless hardware inside, thread locked. It's not going anywhere. This is secure. You have the option of the optional tether, which you can see right there. It's very thin, but it's stainless steel wire. So if this mount was to break, this is not going to come off of here. This is going to dangle. So you're pretty safe and secure there, although I have never had a problem with this mount in some very rough seas. I recommend with this mount, keeping your selfie stick all the way down. It gets incredible footage. So that front mount is only for that hood style that has the 2 bolts, like the GTX, the Wake, the Fish Pro, the RXT, not the RXP, not the GTI, I'm sorry guys, but those are available. One nice thing about these mounts is you can purchase both of these mounts for less money than you can purchase one rear mount from some of these other guys. The rear mount now is also being shipped with a cover so you don't get water down in here. Although this mount is completely watertight, no water is going to get in your hull, but it will trap water in here. So this is coming with a mount or a cover that you can secure with a thumb screw. That way, when you're not using it, you're not going to get water inside there. So those will be shipped with all new units going out as of today. So guys, check these mounts out. Like I said, you can purchase both of mine cheaper than you can purchase one rear mount for those other skis. And if you don't have this style ski that you can use a front one, you can get this mount right here for the rear one, way less than half of what the other guys are charging for theirs. No tether needed on the seat. Fantastic support. These mounts are extremely tough. Guys, they're available in a lot of colors. Check them out. We'll talk to you next time.